happened 20 years ago. And after this, I feel like every single one of you guys should have a digicam. I swear to God. See, with the phone, it takes all of the fun out of it. Okay, if you ask me, see, obviously it's clear. You can see my pimple and everything. Yeah, but this, the noise, the chromatic aberrations, the flare, and on top of it, it gives a softness to your images. I mean, that's oh my goodness. I mean, I don't even, yeah, I get it. You can replicate it in Photoshop, but then no, this is something else. This is, get a digicam. I'm not kidding. Get one of these and stop taking photos with your phone.